So welcome back. By the way, I want to quickly do a quick analysis on our commodity, which is our silver, our gold, our crude oil, the WTI crude, and our natural gas. So please, before you go, I want you to subscribe. It will not take you anything. It will not take you much of your time. Just click on the subscribe button and share. By the way, so now our analysis, we are actually dropping on above full movement on our silver. We're actually dropping. We've actually gotten this thing called a retracement, and guess what, we're actually going to be dropping again on our gold, silver, by the way, sorry, on our silver for today. You can see that our price even goes up. Yesterday we actually had a bearish move. If you watch my weekly analysis, I also predicted the same thing, that possibly we'll be having a drop on our silver, by the way. And guess what, yesterday, which was on Monday, we had bearish movement. Today, by the time you can see the time, which is about 3 a.m, very early, London session has net opened, New York session has net opened, but we're actually having that bearish move. So please, let's see if we can grab a bearish move to around this area I've marked. Let me mark it. That should be about 40 plus pips more to gain for today. Right now, I'm just saying for today, let's continue going bearish, by the way. So we would want to be seeing a drop on our silver before we actually probably see, probably after a drop, we probably might be seeing a retracement and a fall to hit our area here. But above all, let's see how our price will play out for today. On our silver, we're actually seeing a drop. On our 4-hour time frame, see a drop, by the way. We are seeing a break. We are seeing something like our price coming into retrace, by the way. But I personally believe we will break below it, by the way. And if in case we don't break below it, then we should actually push up and probably come down again. Probably come down again. So on our 4-hour time frame, we can see that our price is actually ranging here. So at least we should actually wait, see if our price breaks below this area that I've marked. If it breaks below it, then take your sell position and opt out here, and take it here as your take profit. Opt out to this area here as your take profit. That is exactly what I'll be advising. Take profit. And if it does not break below it, then take your buy position. When it pushes up, then definitely when it gets to this our resistance area here, then take a sell position straight downward again. That is exactly what our silver is showing us. On our 1-hour time frame, same thing, by the way. You see price ranging around this area here, but I believe it will soon break below it. So if it does not break below it, you all know what to do next, by the way. So now our gold USD. Oh gosh, our gold is a very volatile pair, by the way. So let me see something. Okay, now we see we have actually gotten a fall about 63 pips now, and we will continue to be seeing a fall, because when we see on movement, we see that our price is falling. We've gotten a retracement. Now we would want to be seeing a fall, by the way. So let's go down straight to our 4-hour time frame where our price will be moving. So we are want to be going bearish, right? Let's mark it as a mini ranging market here, and we will also mark it as a mini ranging market here. We'll be assuming that our price will actually be pushing up, how do I call it, a resistance, a support, right? A resistance. Now we've hit a support. Now there are two ways our price will be going. Price breaks below this our previous, how do I call it, say higher lows, previous higher lows, by the way. If our price can break below it, then it is a good opportunity to take your sell position straight downward, then opt out at around, let's say about 1805. 1805. If our price can break below this our 1840, if our price breaks below 1840, then take your sell position to 1805. That should be about, is it piece, how do I call it, about 3000 decimal point two. You know, we would not be able to grab it all today, but at least this week we should be able to grab it all. And if it does not break below it, we actually get that bullish move, then take your buy position, or you wait till you get to this our resistance area here, then you can actually now short it. You can actually now short it straight down to this our support area. So you can see that our price is actually ranging between this area here. So our 1 hour time frame, same thing, our price is actually moving, see ranging. So if our price manages to break below here, then let's take our sell position straight down, because if it breaks below, I believe we'll be seeing a massive drop, a massive drop on our good. And if it does not, then we should continue seeing this ranging move between this our 864 and our 848, about 864, 848, this ranging market move. So that's how our price will possibly move. And our crude oil, oh gosh, crude oil is actually going bullish. It's actually going to be going bullish. We are aiming to hit our liquidity area here. You can see it on our daily time frame. We are aiming to hit our liquidity area here. So that's exactly, it is currently at 116. We should be aiming to hit at least 125. 125, that is exactly what we are aiming for. So if at least that should be, how do I calculate it? That should be about 91. Is it 91 pips or something? How do you call it? Points or anything, at least 91 to be able to grab. I'll call it 91 points to be able to grab. So on our WTI, we are still bullish. Crude oil is actually, increasing. It's going expensive. It's increasing by the way. So we are actually going to be going bullish on our WTI crude oil on our 4-hour time frame. Still going bullish by the way. So if you want to take your trade, our advice probably wait for a pullback and take your buy position. And if you can't wait for a pullback, you don't want to wait, you want to take your trade, then definitely take a buy position, and opting out here is at least, which actually be a very good idea. And now our 1-hour time frame, let's see it. We see our 1-hour time frame, you are still bullish. We've gotten a pullback here, we've gotten a bullish move. We can actually wait for a pullback like I previously advised. When we get a pullback, hit this our price, hit this our area here, then definitely we would go bullish on our WTI crude oil. Now back to our daily time frame, we see it, we are still bullish by the way. We are aiming to take our profits here on our WTI crude oil. And lastly, our natural gas, like I've just predicted on my previous analysis video. If you watch my weekly video, go back and watch it on my natural gas, gold, silver, crude oil. We see where I say that on our natural gas, we would want to be seeing a drop. And guess what? Yesterday we had a drop. Today we are having a drop. Our price has opened bearish and it's actually going dropping. So I believe that we would have a drop. See, this our area here, this is my key level here, before we actually now see that bullish move on our natural gas. So I'm still aiming for a drop for today on my natural gas. Let's see if our natural gas for today will be able to see a drop and close around this area here. If we can have that fall and close below this area around about 8.318. If you can see it, we are at 8.658, right? If our price can actually drop to 8.318 and we close for today, I'm just saying for today, then at least that would be a good one to trade. So shorting on our natural gas. So thank you. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe.